What is going on, guys? Welcome back, and today we're finally installing the GTI bumper and grill and all that to make this the perfect GTD replica. So let's get this thing in the shop and get to it. Shake this. Hey, how about that? Oh, we don't need it too high. It's enough to get to the bumper here. So as you guys can see, obviously I got the honeycomb grill installed with the GTD badge, which we'll have to modify that here in a minute because it doesn't sit how I want it to. It kind of sits on the inside there. And we don't have a badge yet because I ordered a badge online from, I think, DSG something, and it cleared US Customs like 6 days ago, and there's been no update on it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that yet, but we're gonna get that off real quick because I do have to modify it. Okay guys, well apparently my phone stopped filming for no reason. I'm guessing because I plugged it in to charge it a little bit. I took the grill off already. We have kind of a gap here in the GTD logo. I know you guys haven't seen this yet. It looks okay, but I want to see if I can get this a little more flush, which I will do here in a bit. However, I want to get this bumper off first because we got other things we have to do as well. So this guy, I think is just a, yep, it's a T20 like the other thing. I don't even think we need to take the wheel off. And the other side's a T20 as well, so I'm gonna take that, or T25, my bad. So I'm gonna take that one off real quick. Take both of these so we don't lose them. Unfortunately, on the new GTI bumper, it doesn't have these spots for these T25s to go. I had ordered a little bracket that would replace that. It's a little metal bracket you can replace that little piece with. It's still in Australia for some reason. So I don't know when I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna kind of rely on the clips to hold it in temporarily until we can get the hardware. So now I gotta see all these little torques at the bottom. Got a lot of torques on this thing. I'm gonna get a chair though, so I'm not just squatting. I didn't watch a video of how to do this, so we're gonna kind of figure it out as we go. They're T25s though. This is honestly pretty awesome. Something you kind of don't get in the 335. They like to change things on you. These are all like the same T25s. These are awesome. So then guys, there's just clips on the side and the T25s that we had taken off. So theoretically, oh no, we got a couple more over here. Might be able to just slide this off. Ooh, it's coming. Oh, don't want to forget the connector for the side marker lights. Ooh. Bottom shield is still attached a little bit. Oh, maybe it's not. Oh, yep, it is. Got one T25 I missed. Let's hope this doesn't fall on me. Ooh, it might. It feels like it wants to. Well, dang. Okay. Let me set this somewhere. Look at that. We got the bumper off. However, we can't just slap the other bumper on. So now we got to work on this side because to get the GTI bumper to fit on these wagons, you have to change out the windshield washer fluid tank. So it's a couple bolts here. We're gonna have to undo all of these. Yeah, this is gonna be a mess. Trying not to lose you guys. There. That's what we wanted. Sweet. That is bolted down. It's unfortunate that we're not going to be able to really use it yet, but that will be just fine until I get that plug. So this guy. So now that that's in there, obviously we can't put washer fluid in it until I plug this. But it's time to put the GTI bumper together and then put it on the car. It'll go on kind of the same way it came off. I forgot I had another bulb for this, so this is the side that's broken. There we go, fixed. We're gonna wanna plug these guys in. Okay, we might not be able to do that yet. Like I said, these bumpers sit kind of weird on the wagons. Actually, before I get that on there, I wanted to show you guys real quick. So where we took that T25 out, this whole piece is broken off of this bumper and it's cracked right here. So there was a metal piece that was meant to replace like this much of it, but it's still not here. So we're gonna see if these clips will hold it for the time being. Hopefully they will. This side is broken quite a bit more. Whoever took this bumper off at the scrapyard just ripped it off to get it off, and it kind of screwed me when I went there. But it's a cheap bumper and we got it painted for cheap because it was red. So it'll work until we can get a nicer bumper. Get that up there. Kind of has to stretch to get it on.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Evan.
You hear me just now?
Yeah, this thing does fit weird.
Yeah.
Like super weird. See ya. I just realized there's nothing to hold in this fender liner too. This thing is so bad. So one of these little clips has to come up like a lot. Okay, so doesn't exactly look the best because this part's cracked. I think we're just gonna need a new bumper eventually. And additionally, I'm not able to hook my fender liner to it, so it looks better than the standard bumper, but it's definitely got some issues. Okay, so actually, my buddy has this this badge that we can use temporarily until I get mine, because I mean, my original one just comes off. So we're gonna slap this on real quick. All right, so it's gonna look a little janky being a matte black VW badge, but it also looks kind of cool with the GTD and all that. I still gotta get the bottom piece on. I just thought I'd show you the badge. Now I'm gonna clean some stuff up and then we're going to get this out of the shop. Oh my God, guys. Honestly, even with the fitment issues, this thing looks so good. I'm gonna turn the camera around in a second and let you guys see it. Dang, this is so much better than the standard bumper, even with the fitment issues, the fender liner not being able to be put on. Eventually, obviously, we're gonna put on a better bumper, but dang. We still need to get a GTI steering wheel, which I wanna try and get the GTD steering wheel from ECS Tuning. That's like $900, so I don't know if that's gonna happen. We also need GTI seats as well. But without further ado, here is my 2011 Volkswagen GTD clone. And there you have it, guys. Obviously, there was a little surprise in there too. So in the back, it used to say Jetta and TDI, but we now changed that and it says GTD like it would on a real GTD. And we took off the TDI badge. So this is almost completely a clone of a Mark 6 GTD. This thing looks so good. Obviously, bumper's not great. It has some fitment issues, but that's all right. it works for now. It works for a daily until we can find a nice bumper. But this is awesome, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.